Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a truly versatile piece of office and school equipment, the cold roll film laminator, a powerful thermal laminator designed for presentations and document protection. This particular model boasts an impressive 350 lamination width, making it suitable for a wide range of documents, from standard letter and legal sizes to larger presentation materials. One of the standout features of this laminator is its dual functionality. It offers both hot and cold lamination, giving users complete flexibility depending on their project needs. Whether you're working with heat-sensitive documents that require cold lamination or need the robust protection of hot lamination, this machine has you covered. It also supports both double-sided and single-sided lamination, which is incredibly convenient for various applications, from protecting important certificates to creating durable educational aids. The control panel is a sleek LCD interface, which makes operating the laminator straightforward and intuitive. Adjusting settings, selecting lamination types, and monitoring the temperature is all done with ease, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. Speaking of temperature, this laminator is quite capable, reaching a maximum coating temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. For hot lamination, it offers a range of 100 to 140 degrees Celsius for standard lamination, and a higher range of 140 to 180 degrees Celsius for plastic lamination, ensuring a perfect seal every time. Cold lamination, of course, operates at room temperature, preserving delicate materials without heat. What truly sets this office presentation laminator apart for school and office environments is its thoughtful inclusion of a stapler. This might seem like a small detail, but having an integrated stapler means you can finish your documents right after lamination, streamlining your entire process and reducing clutter on your desk. It's these kinds of practical additions that elevate a good product to a great one. For anyone in an educational setting or a busy office, the ability to quickly and professionally laminate documents is invaluable. From protecting student artwork and teaching materials to safeguarding important business reports and signage, this laminator provides a durable and polished finish. Its robust design and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance the longevity and appearance of their printed materials. This cold roll film laminator truly delivers on its promise of versatility and performance, making it a valuable asset for any professional or academic environment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.